and Meadow and Arizona. Thank you for joining us for today's Ultimate Sisters Adventures fun video.
And today's fun video, we stole our mom's makeup. We stole her new makeup.
Shh. And we also got a little bit of her old makeup because we just wanted more
Makeup.
Yeah, more.
So now we're going to put it on. So let's get the first thing.
Okay, now we have the primer.
We have the primer, which is the first thing you put on before doing makeup.
I mean, if you want to, but today we're going to be putting it on. And yeah. And we got ourselves mirrors.
I got the
And
I'm going to just move it around with this makeup sponge.
like this full, but I can't get this full.
Okay.
It's clogged. It's clogged.
My face has not changed. Now I'm going to grab the next item. Okay, I got myself some lip liner and some lipstick. So first I'm going to put on a little bit of lip liner.
I am completely 100% done with this one. And I got myself some lipstick. Nope, but I'm only going to add a tiny bit because I don't want too much. Done. No, I'm not. Fine.
So you're trying to concentrate and be talking myself. So I am done with the lip liner. So now
Already? Wow.
So now I'm going to add some lipstick.
And no. I cannot miss it. Done. And I only added like a few dabs. I only did the bottom layer, not the top layer. I just did.
What did you use?
Liquid lipstick. And now I'm gonna go get my next thing. You already know what I got?
Foundation.
Tiny bit. And mascara. So the first thing I'm gonna do is a tiny bit because
I have finished.
I already have one done. See, and now this is how you do. I'm joking. We're not done. I was gonna do it. I figured out something.
Oh, no. And these are actually for the front arms. This was excellent. Okay, let me grab my second item. This is supposed to be. Let me go grab the second one. Okay, I have my second item, and I'm going to try to do a cat eye.
I'm done with mine. I guess I don't have to hold the mirror. Okay, I got a mascara and some blush, and I'm gonna be done. Or maybe I'm gonna add a little more stuff because I don't know what she does. But I think after all, that's all you need: lipstick, mascara, blush, and foundation. That's pretty much all you need.
Yep.
Okay, so your mom's watching it. It's fine. Okay, so now I'm going to add this.
That's kind of scary. Because like we never use makeup.
Maybe it was a taste for Halloween. very silent in this video because we're just putting on makeup. Do you guys ever talk in videos, or you guys just like always silent? Like, yep. And if you did, then if you don't, then you should do this. No, don't. Don't try this at home. Because we are, what is it called? Like darers? Like, we're daredevils. Even though it wasn't a dare. Just get this off my face. Oh my gosh, I used the wrong one. How funny is what? But this is gonna be the shortest video that we ever made. I mean, what's it called? Our morning announcements are like 5 to 7 minutes long. 5 to 6 minutes long. When you look, that is going on. Exactly. This. And then, now, off to the second one. I don't know. See? Makeup. Okay. I remember this time. We were with our grandma. We're just normal, no, completely 100% normal day until I got to. So, what happened is that we decided.
Hang on. I'll go grab eyeliner real quick. Right back. Okay, I got myself some tissue. I got myself my things. Now, when I was grabbing the eyeliner, I found some mascara. So, I'm going to use that in a minute. So now I'm going to add on this eyeliner.
Oh no, I'm smudging it. And my Okay, I'm done.
That didn't work. You wanna know what that was supposed to do?
That was supposed to make a fadey look. Never trust everything on YouTube. Anyways, back to what I was doing before.
I wish I did something before about YouTube. It worked.
It was about making curls. Okay.
Some makeup.
Do you take my eyeshadow? Eyeshadow. I think I'm done. This.
My makeup's so
You're done?
Oh no, I said so far. Is this what it looks like so far? Oh my gosh, I look so much better or different. If you already got this up, then I could be like, I could show you the full makeup with my hair down. I'm so excited! And I'll just take it. Ow.
I love this. It's gorgeous.
I'm going to grab the next thing. I'll be right back. Okay. So I didn't find exactly what I was looking for. But I found this eyebrow pencil. Somebody used that plus this mascara. So I couldn't find like something else that I wanted. So it is nothing. I'm just gonna. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing with this. Ugh.
How do you know it's an eyebrow pencil?
It says.
Are you sure? Are you positive?
Yes.
Are you absolutely 100%? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Hello, me, my gorgeous older 20-year-old look. Just gonna do my. I think it's.
Oh wow, this is
I think I'm done. This my favorite. I'm done.
Okay. Actually, we're gonna go look at that for a minute. Is this? So I'll be right back.
Okay, everyone.
Hang on. Okay, I have found what I was looking for. It's for like your eyebrows stuff. So I'm going to put a little bit on, then use a scratch up with the eyeliner.
Cat, don't you know what we're doing?
Got it.
Get out there. And last but not least, the last one will be.
This stuff is so dark.
So, it's all silent. Can I see you for a sec? Yeah, you might want to get rid of that. And then you'll look at it.
That ruined my makeup.
Nope. No, I shouldn't. It's fine. You know what? It's fine. And this one? No, no.
I'm just doing whatever I do. brush real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I got myself a brush into this white powder. Could you bitch?
Where's the worst thing happen? Down to right here.
Yeah, I saw that.
You did nothing about it? You're like, you know.
I thought you knew.
Okay, whatever, I did. I might have.
Like, look. It's all right. This is the most good side up here.
I did nothing with
I like this side better than this side.
I did nothing with my eyes except for cleaning this one. I'm mostly the face person.
Okay.
Well,
But to finish.
and I'm about to be finished in 3. You have 3 seconds, Meadow. 5. 5. 4. 3. Oh, let's see. 2. 1. Okay.
We have finished.
Wait, hang on. No, I'm not done.
Oh my gosh! 3, 2, 1. Finish
Our look.
our makeup. Oh, hang on. Let me see what I look like without this. It's totally going out somewhat. Oh, that's all I'm saying. Okay.
Oh, I ruined my look.
Let's go show.
We'll just
I finished this
pretend that this is black.
Ah, it's getting everywhere. So look at this side. Look at this side, right? Looks all good. Looks all good. And then you see this side.
Oh my gosh, this is everywhere.
This compared to this. I actually like this side better. I like this side better than this side. But overall, I'm like,
Help me.
I made such good makeup look.
Oh my god. Okay. Can I have that bit near?
But this is what my makeup looks like, and with my hair and my face. Oh, I look
Oh. Okay, are you ready to see everybody? My final look. My beautiful final look. Oh.
Yeah, I think you go overboard on the powder.
I didn't. You wanna know what I went overboard on? The lipstick. It got everywhere on my face, and I took my face.
But it's good. This is what my makeup looks like. And this is what Arizona looks like.
Boom, boom.
Ah! I'm sorry.
My makeup. Okay.
Well, that concludes our fun video for today. We hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join us on another Ultimate Sisters Adventure Show. Bye.
But I should.